Bitcoin is around $108,000. Today is Monday, November 3rd, 2025. And if you watched any of my previous updates, you might think that I sound like a broken record because I'm going to say the same thing that I've been saying in the previous updates, in that there are two lines in the sand. And if Bitcoin crosses either of those lines in the sand, that's going to change my perspective as to where I think we're going to go. The bottom line is the 50-week moving average. Right now, that level is $103,307. It will rise every week if it takes multiple weeks to get there. If it takes a day, that is my line in the sand. Maybe we would go down to the 50-week EMA, which is around 1015, even a wick below that, even below $100,000. If we have a weekly close below there, that's when I will be a bear. If we wick below and do not have a weekly close below there, I will still remain my posture that these are the two lines in the sand. And what's the upper line in the sand? It is the 618 to 702 retrace from the August peak for Bitcoin, which is around $124,000, to a recent move down to 103 and change. So what's that level? That's 116 and change to 118 and a half, something like that. If Bitcoin breaks 118, I will be not only a bull, but I will be a mega bull. And so right now, holding Bitcoin, the risk to reward is more to the upside than to the downside. I will do some significant cutting if Bitcoin does lose that 50-week moving average, but I'm not saying goodbye until 2026, by a year after the peak. I'm not saying goodbye until October, November of 2026. Absolutely not. I think that the market is very much going to zig when everyone's expecting it to zag, and that people sitting on the sidelines waiting for a bear market bottom a year from now, that they're going to be sidelined in a major, major way. So even if we lose that 50-week moving average, it's not goodbye. It's see you in a little bit. When, maybe it'll take a few months to play itself out, but I remain very bullish for the times when we're going to see liquidity increase and potentially the business cycle move in a very positive direction. And so that's where I stand. And until things change, that's where I'm going to remain.